Welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to visualize tag values in real time. N3uron's Web UI provides a user-friendly interface where you can easily view tag attributes and other information such as their data type or engineering units. To access the interface, simply navigate to Data and click on Real Time in the navigation panel. Once here, you'll see two different sections. On the left-hand side, we can see the Tag Groups browser, which is set up in an interactive tree structure that can be expanded or collapsed to view the data model. By selecting each of the different levels in the tree, we can filter which information is displayed in the tag list panel. If you want to visualize all the tags under a certain level of this hierarchy, you'll need to check the sublevels box in the header. You'll also be able to see a text field next to the sublevels checkbox, where you can filter which tags you wish to display by entering a regex expression. The tag list displays the following information for each tag: the tag path, as well as its value, quality and timestamp. It also shows the tag data type, its engineering units, whether it's read-only or a read and write type, and a short description, if provided when the tag was originally configured. You can also change the sort order by clicking on the header of each column to sort into ascending or descending order. Click on the ellipsis button on the left-hand side of each tag to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll be able to copy the tag path, check its configuration, or even write a new value to the tag, as long as this is permitted. Let's select the latter option and enter a new tag value. Hit apply, and if everything is working properly, a success message will be shown. Finally, you can export the data being displayed within the panel to a CSV file by clicking the top right corner button, just as we've seen in earlier videos. Make sure to check out our next video to learn about how to visualize historical data.